Hello everyone, today we are going to take a closer look at how to adjust and use this remote controller. Press and hold the down button to power it on, then briefly press it again to enter the locked interface. With the welding machine within the control range, press the up button and the middle button at the same time to pair the remote with the welder. Briefly press the down button to enter the mode interface. By briefly pressing the lower knob, you can switch between modes. In MIG Synergic mode, you can adjust the current using the lower knob and fine-tune the voltage using the upper knob. When switching to MIG separate mode, the lower knob adjusts the wire feed speed and the upper knob adjusts the voltage. Press and hold the lower knob to enter the inductance adjustment. Use the upper knob to increase or decrease the inductance. Use the middle button to switch between 2T and 4T welding modes. Briefly press the upper knob to toggle the gas selection. Briefly press the up button to enter the fast wire feed state. Press briefly again to stop the fast wire feed. Switch to MM mode and adjust the current using the lower knob. Switch to lift TIG mode, where the current is also adjusted using the lower knob. The remote can be worn on the wrist using the strap, or attached to a metal surface using the magnetic mount, or attached to a glove with Velcro. The remote control range can reach up to 10 meters, which is very useful for long torch welding at a distance or working at heights. To prevent accidental operation, briefly press the down button to lock the interface. Whether it is MIG welding, MA welding, or lift TIG welding, the operation is very portable and practical. When the low battery red indicator lights up, you can charge it using the Type-C port. This concludes the introduction to using this remote controller.